Okay, so this is the video to show you the offline control card with remote control and also the ambient light sensor to automatically change the brightness of the screens. So okay, let's try the ambient light sensor first. Now see, remember this brightness of the screen. Now let's turn the highlight on. 现在打开。The ambient light sensor, we will have about 5 seconds delay from actual. Notice that the screen now is turned very brighter compared to the previously. Now let's turn the light off. Yeah, so you will see about 5 seconds delays. So this is ambient light sensor, auto changes the brightness of the screen. Now let's try the remote control to shift the program, to shift the content. We added about 8 programs into the offline control card already. So let's shift from each one to each one. So now it's the pictures. It's the temperature and humidity. Another pictures. Yeah, another pictures. The clock. The letters. So from this video you can see it's the offline control card and the ambient light sensor is working pretty well. Let's take a look at the back side. So each cabinet will have 3 pieces of DC power suppliers, and this is the offline control card, M31 control card, and the ambient light sensor is built in here. We can see from outside. You can see this is the ambient light sensor and the temperature humidity sensor built in here. So you need to make sure do not cover this area, otherwise it won't function well. Okay.